Greetings to all esteemed viewers. I warmly welcome everyone back to my creative channel, where we continually explore unique and fascinating projects. In today's feature episode, I shall endeavor to engineer a functional evaporative cooler, or swamp cooler, entirely from humble PVC piping. Let us delve into this meticulous crafting process together. To commence this ambitious build, we shall deploy a section of PVC piping with a 160mm diameter to serve as the foundational primary material. Continuing the process, we will employ the cutter to precisely segment the pipe, strictly following the line that was pre-marked. Moving on to the next phase, we will proceed to drill a series of small perforations in the structure, aiming to optimize airflow and enhance the ventilation efficiency of the fan unit. Currently, I will select and install 5 12-volt power DC cooling fans, which will collectively serve as the primary air circulation unit or main fan array for the entire device. At this stage, we will proceed to finalize the electrical connections and integrate a safety cutoff switch for the fan unit. At this stage, we will proceed to firmly secure the cooling fans onto the pipe structure, utilizing a hot glue adhesive to ensure optimal adhesion. we will employ an ultrasonic mist maker, dedicated to generating a fine, cool mist and enhancing the humidity of the output airflow. Subsequently, we will apply a fresh coat of protective paint to the unit's surface, thereby completing the aesthetic finish of the project. Finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.